Shawty wanna make you mine, shawty wanna make you mine, oh yeah, yeah. Shawty wanna make you mine, shawty wanna make you mine, oh yeah, yeah. Shawty wanna make you mine, shawty wanna make you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be doing this Indian healing clay mask on my hair. So I am going to be mixing it with apple cider vinegar and also a tad bit water. So right here, I'm just showing you guys all what I'm using and adding the amount that is needed for my hair length. So I am going to be just adding that into a bowl and adding the apple cider vinegar and a little bit of water and then mixing it all up to make sure I get the right portions that I need. And I ended up using like just a little bit. I didn't use too much because I have done this once before and I made way too much. So I really like did a little bit, and then, you know, as I went on into putting it on my hair, I noticed that I just need a little bit more. So you don't really need too much, especially if your hair is shorter than mine. So yeah. So right here, I'm just going ahead and taking it down my hair. It's a mess, it's dirty, it needs cleaning. And I haven't done this mask since like a few years ago, and I tried it, I actually recorded it, but I never uploaded the video, and I haven't done it since then, and it just did not turn out right. So I was like, let me try this again and let me record it, just so I can have it to show if you guys want to see. But I'm gonna go ahead and damp my hair up. I'm not making it soaking wet, but I am spraying water on it because my hair is easier to maneuver when it is a little damp. So that's what I'm doing right here. Alright, so here's how much I ended up making. Not too much, and it's not really that thick. It's more on the, you know, watery side, just so I can make sure it does get throughout my hair. So I definitely recommend dampening your hair because just like spreading this is kind of hard. So don't make it too thick or you will have to make a lot in order to cover all of your strands. So I'm going ahead and just making sure I thoroughly coat all my hair with this, make sure I get my ends really good and all that good stuff. Alright, so now I have both sides done. I went ahead and did the other side off camera. So I'm just showing you that it's all applied. And I would say I left this in my hair for about maybe 30 minutes. I didn't leave it in too long. Like, I didn't let it like completely dry to where it got hard, because if you do use this mask, you know it does get very hard, like, because I do use it for my skin. But yeah, so now I'm in the shower and I'm just about to rinse all of this out. I did rinse it with warm water, and it was kind of making a mess in the tub. Like, it just was not cute. I was like, definitely have to clean this tub after, but I did rinse it all out. Alright, so here you can see it's all rinsed out of my hair. My curls are actually looking really good with nothing done to it. I did go ahead and do my wash routine off of camera, and here is how my hair is looking after I did apply my styling products to it. And then here is how my hair looked after it's all done and dry, and it looks really cute. So I really thought this mask did a really good job in cleaning my hair and letting the products that I did put in my hair real nice and smooth and moisturizing. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.